Hi, boys and girls. Look who came to say hi. Parker, right here. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hi, boys and girls. All right, well, you wanted to see how big Parker was getting. So here he is. This is how big he's getting. He hears the noise. He wants to go get to it. Can you say bye? Say goodbye. Here, say goodbye real quick. Say bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. All right, we'll get back to our lesson in just a minute. All right, boys and girls, I'm back. As you saw, Parker doesn't really like to sit still for very long, but he just popped up to say hi to everybody. So, all right, well, you wanted to see Parker. You got to see Parker. Let's go on with our next lesson. This one is called equivalent fractions. Our essential question is, how can you use models to name equivalent fractions? Let's unlock the problem together. Here's our story problem. Cole brought a submarine sandwich to the picnic. He shared the sandwich equally with 3 friends. The sandwich was cut into 8s. What are 2 ways to describe the part of the sandwich each friend ate? Cole grouped the smaller pieces into 2s. Draw circles to show equal groups of 2 pieces to show what each friend ate. So let's look at the picture because they already have that done for us. Now we can see that the sandwich was cut into 8 equal pieces, and he has grouped the pieces together in 2 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2 pieces. Why are there 4 groups of 2 pieces? Look back at our story problem. Okay, I heard some of you say it. It says he shared the sandwich equally with 3 friends, but you can't leave Cole out. He has to have a part of the sandwich. So Cole and his 3 friends divided up this sandwich. So that's why, going back to the sandwich, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So now what we're going to look at is 2 different ways to name those fractions. All right, there are 4 equal groups. Each group is 1/4 of the whole sandwich. So each friend ate 1/4 of the whole sandwich. How many 8ths did each friend eat? How many 8ths are in 1/4 of the sandwich? 2 8ths, right? Good job. One-fourth and 2 8ths are equivalent fractions since they both name the same amount of the sandwich. They both name the same amount. So 1/4 and 2 8ths of the sandwich are 2 ways to describe the part of the sandwich that each friend ate. All right, let's look at this one. Circle equal groups. Write an equivalent fraction for the shaded part of the whole. So we have the shaded part of the whole here. We're going to circle that whole group. Okay. Now we need another equal group on this side. So the shaded part of the whole is 4 8ths. 1, 2, 3, 4 8ths. But what else can we say? What's another way to describe this fraction that is shaded? Okay, there's 1 part shaded out of how many parts? 2. So what would we say if there's 1 out of 2 parts shaded? Good. 1/2. So 4 8ths is equivalent or equal to 1/2. We've also talked about if the numerator is half of the denominator, then that fraction is also equal to 1/2. The numerator is half of the denominator. Awesome job, guys. Let's look at another problem. Heidi ate 3/6 of her fruit bar. Molly ate 4/8 of her fruit bar, which is the same size. Which girl ate more of her fruit bar? let's model this problem. We're going to shade 3/6 of Heidi's fruit bar. Okay. We're going to shade 4/8 of Molly's fruit bar. Remember, they are the same size. Is 3/6 greater than, less than, or equal to 4/8? What do you think? I hear you say equal to. So both girls ate the same amounts. We can see in the fraction picture that 3/6 is the same size as 4/8. Remember what we also said, if the numerator is half of the denominator, it's equal to 1/2. And here we can see the numerator is half the denominator, so both of those fractions are equivalent to 1/2, and they are equal to each other. All right, boys and girls, that was a quick lesson. We've already talked a little bit about equivalent fractions, so this was kind of a review just to make sure that you really understand the concepts. And you are ready to go on and do your blog today. So go on to Blackboard, answer your blog, please, and make sure you go and comment on at least 2 other people's blogs using your Accountable Talk. All right, I will see you tomorrow in class. Bye.